Video of Ultimate Riders. So today we are reviewing the 21 speed MTB under 20k. Actually, it is the best MTB under 20k. You can see the look of this cycle with black and red combination. You can see here the logo of 91 in the front side, top of the suspension. Actually, it is the best cycle of under 20k. It's for beginners and you can do off-roading and you can go for long rides. You can see over here branding of 91 wings. Actually, this cycle is a defeat fear pro model, and you can see the designs like tattoos. 29 defeat fear 91. You can see over here everything 91 full of brandings on even tires, frame, everything. You can see the design of the cycle and your chain. Like the 21 speed cycle, you can see the back derailleur and the back and you got L2O geared back derailleur and to front derailleur L2O. You can see the crank pedals, everything with the 91, and even you can see the tires and the tire sizes of. You can buy this cycle online too. The link is in description, so please check it out. Off-roading for beginners or for elders, everyone can ride this cycle. You can see these tires, the suspension, everything. See over here. And even you are getting Vector 91 mudguard with accessories. Actually a good mudguard from Vector 91. You can see the front mudguard too. And after coming for brakes, you got disc brakes, front disc brakes and rear disc brakes. You can see the back disc brake, rear disc brake. Actually it's a good disc brakes under 20k cycle. And even you can see the cockpit of this cycle with best and crazy cool grips. And this is the alloy stem of 91. You can see the handlebar and the gears, thumb shifters, fire shifters, and the brakes, bell. With access even you are getting the bell. You can see the front look of this cycle. And coming to the suspension, it's a very smooth suspension. You are getting front suspension. See how smooth it is compressing. By this you can get this cycle. See the 91 seat, and it's a good seat for long rides, comfortable seat. Even you're getting quick release for this seat and the radium lights, reflection. You're getting the stand. You can see the branding on 91 everywhere and everywhere. Thank you.